And hello my dear viewers, welcome to the new vlog and the new car review. You might guess in what kind of car I'm sitting now. It's a BMW i4. Waiting for this car for such a long time. I'm so excited that I'm in it and just testing it. It's so good to drive. Handling is so sporty. I mean, I tried Tesla already and Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Polestar 2. It's nothing to compare. I mean, really nothing. I think it's something similar to M3, BMW M3. It's crazy good. So let's dig into the numbers. So as I said, this is BMW i4 M50 model, which means that you have the most powerful two motors, which delivers 544 brake horsepower and is powered by 80.7 kilowatt-hour battery, which lets you to reach 100 kilometers an hour in 3.9 seconds, and the top speed is 225 kilometers an hour. The max charging power is 205 kilowatts, and this car is based on 400 volts system, not like Hyundai Ioniq 5 or Kia EV6 on 800 volt system. And the energy consumption is between 18.9 and 22.5 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, something average. And you can drive with the full battery between 500 and 520 kilometers of distance. And this particular model M50 costs 700,000 Norwegian NOK, which is around 70,000 euros. And the starting price for BMW eDrive 40 is 589,000 Norwegian NOK, which is around 49,000 euros, let's say. And BMW i4 xDrive 40 is around 539,000 Norwegian NOK, which is around 54,000 euros, the starting price. And the space I will show you around. We will walk around the car and I will show you how much space. And as you know, for me, the most important is the space in the back when you flip the seats, because I love sleeping in the back of the car, like camping. So this is really important for me. And of course, I can show you around the interior and all this stuff. So let's go outside. So guys, now the space. As you can see, it's really comfortable seats. Headrest is really also good. Quite hard, but I think it should be comfortable. Yeah, the back seats. We will go later in the back. Of course, I would go for sand color of skin, not that dark. And here are all the controls. As you can see, so much stuff. And here guys, the space in the back. I mean, I'm 1 meter 89 centimeters tall, and actually it's not that much space because the seat is adjusted for my height, and you can see I already touched the back seats with my knees. So it's not that much space as in Hyundai Ioniq 5 or Polestar 2. The space for the head is also pretty tight, I would say. I can already feel that my man bun is touching the interior. Yeah, okay. Let's go and see what's in the back, in the trunk. So guys, now I will try to lay down in the car. Let's see. should do this the same with this, but I mean space is really nice and this is nicely flat, so we just need the mattress and a flare to lay down. Approved. It's camping approved. This is the space in the boot. It's 470 liters, and when you flip the seats, it's 1,290 liters. So it's a pretty spacious trunk. And let's push this button. So guys, it was a pretty quick review of the car, and let's drive it, and I'll show you the controls. So guys, here are all the controls. The menu, of course, navigation. Let's go home, menu, lots of things. I mean, you could spend an entire day here. Entire day. But the most important thing on this car is this button. You just go and it's Sport Boost. And what we're gonna do, we just drive. Let's drive. Oh, I can feel how the seatbelt is tightening up when I push accelerator. Oh, this is a toy. This is a really man toy to play with. This is the airport area, so I could push. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god! Wow! Woo! My brain liquid went to the back. It's a nice feeling. 3.9 seconds. Oh my god. Can you hear the noise? It's a pleasant noise. Something similar to Ford Mustang Mach-E. Okay, I have to go back one more time. It was so nice. Let's go back. Okay, let's take this. Yes. And the handling. Whoa. So fun, guys. I'm like a kid in the sandbox with a shovel and a bucket. Just enjoying this car. Wow. Now I know what I want for Christmas actually. I want this car, i4 M50, either in blue or in red color with a sand color interior. This is what I want for Christmas. I'm going back, there is a car driving and I'm just pushing. Okay, I can see myself sitting in this car and driving somewhere to Italy or Spain, or yeah, like a long drive, really long drive. Because actually, yeah, because it's charging 205 kilowatt hour max output, so you can charge this car pretty quick, no problem. Half hour and you're done, and then you drive 500 kilometers. Of course, they have to be gentle, not too much, because then I guess you will reach 30 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, and that will eat your battery in let's say 250 kilometers. Then you for sure have to charge a lot. Yes, oh my god. Oh. This is crazy. This is a crazy, crazy car. It's a beautiful Friday in the beautiful car with the beautiful weather outside. So it's a perfect Friday. So guys, I guess it's time to say goodbye. It was a short review of this car. I hope you like it. If you have any comments, please comment in the comment section below. Tell your opinion about what do you think about this car. Maybe you already bought it and tried it, or you are going to buy it and considering something. Yeah, just let me know. and see you in the next one. Bye bye.